Have you ever woken up from a dream and wondered, why do we dream at all? Well, today, let's explore the mysterious world of dreams. You see, dreams happen when your brain is super active, specifically during the REM stage of sleep. One theory says that dreams help us process our emotions and memories. Another says that dreams are like a workout for our brains, helping us to solve problems or practice survival skills. The activation synthesis theory says that dreams are the brain's attempt to make sense of all the random neural activity that happens in our brains when we race sleeping, and some scientists even believe that dreams help with creativity and learning. But the truth is, we still don't know exactly why we dream. It's one of science's greatest mysteries. So the next time you wake up from a strange dream, remember, you just experienced one of the brain's most fascinating secrets.